Ladies and gentlemen, welcome into one of our top standing flats in the center of Paris. As you can see, this is a typical one bedroom flat. It's quite big, spacious, with an outstanding style, mix of charm and the old Parisian style. As you can see, old stone from the 17th centuries is just in front of you to welcome you in Le Marais, in one of the top districts in Paris. As you can see, here you have a full equipped kitchen with oven, with a fridge and with a dishwasher, which is pretty rare in Paris. Here you have a storage room big enough to be able to contain all your bags and everything you have. Here you have everything you need to cook, to eat and to welcome your friends to dine in this amazing table, which is part of an open space. Please take a look in the living room, which is an outstanding sofa bed for 2 persons, where you can probably see the quality of it, as well as all the details. For example, this wardrobe with plants and decor made on purpose to mix the perfect style. Internet television all included aside to warm your presence in this flat.
Separated from the open space just introduced by Marcello, you will arrive in the bedroom. The bedroom, which is composed by a bed that can welcome 2 people, which has a very good size. Also, behind these mirrors, you have 2 wardrobes where you can store all your clothes you need to live your best life in Paris. To finish your visit, you will have behind this door the bathroom, just in the bedroom. Please enter. You will have the toilets on the right, the bidet, the sink, and finally a very nice shower.